Hi, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed it, please do it and activate the notifications bell. In this video, we will see how to remove the top cover on a Canon A-1. We will start by removing the plastic ring around the battery check LED. Remove the winding lever cap screw with a spanner. In this case, I will use a pair of pliers. Take note of the washers underneath, and lift off the lever. Remove the wind cam. Remove the snap ring, holding the mode and self-timer switches. Then remove both switches. Using a friction tool, remove the release button collar. Then, lift off the mode switch with his washer. Hold the rewind shaft with a screwdriver, and unscrew the rewind knob. Then, remove the snap ring holding the film speed dial. Remove the dial and the washer. Then, remove the big washer under the dial. Remove the small rubber covering the screw, in the center of the eyepiece blind lever. Then, remove the cross screw in the lever. Push up the guard that prevents the accidental turning of the dial. Remove the screw underneath that holds the plastic housing and the button. Watch out for the very small steel ball. Use a magnetized screwdriver to remove it. Remove the two cross screws that hold the metal bracket and a plastic trim. Then, remove both. Remove the 4 screws holding the front cover. Then, remove the cover carefully. To remove the top cover, we only have to remove the 6 cross screws. 2 at the front, 1 on each side, and 2 at the back. Lift the top cover carefully. Watch out for the black wire connecting the flash contact. To replace the cover, follow the steps in the reverse order. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a comment below and subscribe the channel.